Hi there. It's nice to see me again. I have a special request to make of you as we approach the end of the year. You may or may not be aware of that we've had 3 very young children in our community, including a newborn, who have been very, very ill. We have Dini Hosiason, the daughter of Darren and Donnie Hosiason. We have Caleb Rosenthal, the newborn son of Eric and Katie Rosenthal. And then we also have Shmuley Hoffman, the son of Mordechai and Ilana Hoffman, who've all had very serious illnesses this summer and are still quite ill. I'd like to ask on this last Shabbos of the year that we as a community and as caring Jews for one another gather and do something special and spiritual and godly as an act of kindness in the merit of these 3 children. I would like to ask, if possible, for those who come to Aish on Friday night, the services are 6 o'clock, to please come 15 minutes earlier and spend those 15 minutes studying the portion of the week, learning about Rosh Hashanah, reciting Psalms, something. If you're unable to do so, then please sometime during the day take out 15 minutes and study in merit of these children. For the ladies and those who are unable to come to shul, we ask that you light candles 10 minutes earlier than usual. The candle lighting time this week is the earliest is 6:12. Later, it could be much later, but the earliest is 6:12. And to please set at least 10 minutes aside earlier to light candles, accept Shabbos, and sit down and read Psalms, study something, again in the merit of these children. It's a very, very powerful thing that as a community we come together for the benefit of these children. Kolev Chaim ben Kayla Malka, Caleb Rosenthal, Shmuel Naftali ben Esther Liba, Shmuley Hoffman, and Dina Bracha Basdani Orit, Dini Hosiason. May the fact that we get together in an act of kindness, and an act of study of Torah or prayer, and that we give a few minutes extra to the holiness of Shabbos be a merit for these children and for all of us. May God see our acts of kindness and bestow kindness upon us as He blesses us with a new, good, healthy, inspirational, meaningful, and growth-filled and happy New Year. Good Shabbos and Shana Tova. Oh, and one more thing. Don't forget, Rosh Hashanah is September 5th and 6th, and we have wonderful services and classes. The classes on Thursday and Friday start at 10 a.m., and there are a few classes each day. We hope you'll join us and that you'll be inspired and enjoy Rosh Hashanah and have a great, uplifting experience. Again, Shana Tova.